Welcome to Everyday Delights. Today we are going to make a super tasty prawn curry. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get our latest recipes. Let's get right into it. So let's marinate our prawns first. I've taken 250 grams of peeled prawns. Now you can see that I've deveined and washed them. Okay, to this let's add some salt. Some turmeric, and some freshly squeezed lemon juice. Give it a mix. Let's keep it aside. Next, we are going to make the paste. For that, we need coconut, garlic, coriander seeds, some cumin, red chili powder. You can also use whole red chilies, a small piece of tamarind that I've just soaked in some water, turmeric and water to help it grind. We need to blend it to a smooth paste and keep it aside. To make our curry, let's start by adding some coconut oil to our hot pan. You can use regular cooking oil as well. Once it's hot, I'm adding mustard seeds. Once they splutter, curry leaves. Let's just fry that off. To that, finely chopped onion. Keep sautéing until they are nice and sweaty. To that, I'm adding ginger. Finely chopped fresh ginger. Make sure everything goes nice and golden. Remember, the heat is on medium-high. Okay, let's add our tomatoes, finely chopped tomatoes. Give it a good mix and then let's add some water. Again, keep the flame on medium-high, and the water is just going to help us cook our tomatoes and soften them further. You can add a little bit of extra water if you want. Just make sure the onions and the tomatoes are well cooked and nice and soft. Now I'm adding our coconut masala. You need to make sure that this is on a medium-low flame, otherwise our coconut will burn. Keep sautéing it. Now that the masala seems like it's coming together, I'm adding some coconut milk. Let's give it a good mix. Some water, and once you've added the water, then we can take the flame up to medium high. Make sure you combine everything well. And now you can see everything has come to a nice boil. Let's add our prawns. Now let's add the marinated prawns. Give it a good mix. Let's add some salt. Remember, there was salt in the marination before, so adjust accordingly. And let's cook our curry. The prawns should take about 4 to 5 minutes. You can see our curry is nice and boiling. The prawns have cooked properly and our curry is ready. Let's quickly make some soft ghee dosas to go with that. Let's serve our fresh coconut prawn curry.